Hey, I'm Jen with Experticity. We are here today to unbox the Ultimate Ears Megablast. Super exciting for me because I have one that's about 2 years old, so I'm really excited to see improvements. It says it is integrating with Alexa, really exciting, and it is fully waterproof. Let's get to it. Download the Ultimate Ears app to connect. Ooh, begin setup. Looking for speakers, so make sure your speaker is on. Megablast found, connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, so now set up Bluetooth. We're now connected via Bluetooth, so continue. Your speaker includes access to Alexa. Connect your Amazon account to access personalized features. This is the feature that I'm most excited about. The old one didn't have this, so we'll see how good this does. And then it says it's setting up Alexa. So try talking to Alexa on your speaker. Here are a few things you can ask. Alexa, tell me a joke.
Did you hear about golf's new superhero?
No.
His name is on the Green Lantern.
Let's play a song. Sounds good. Can I control the... I can control the volume here. Sounds good. Okay, now can control it. Gets louder here.
Just a small town girl.
It's not, one of the features is the 360 degree, like you can't tell where the sound's coming from, and I feel that you don't know where it is. That was really impressive. This sounds great, but what our experts really want to know is it waterproof?
A singer in a smoky room. A smell of wine and cheap perfume.
I'm scared.
For a smile they can share the night. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting.
I can't believe that worked. So this stayed intact. So it worked, it stayed dry. This is a rubber seal here, so it keeps it all dry in there. But make sure that you line these lines up with these compartments there where the charger is and where this comes in, so it screws in, keeps it all nice and tight, but that's really important that it fits in those grooves. So obviously this thing is waterproof. The sound quality was still great. You could see the water pulsing from the sound, which was really cool to see. And then Alexa, that feature is super awesome. Being able to talk to her and have her play whatever.
Sorry, I don't know that.
Obviously Alexa worked as well. It's a really cool feature. They didn't have that in the other ones. It's awesome to be able to talk and order your groceries or play whatever song you want. So really cool feature as well. So that was our unboxing. Ultimate Ears is now on experticity.com. So check out their lessons and get yours today.